It's been 12 years since we seen a Taxi 12, and we gonna chop it up about that. But before we get to that, I gotta pop my shit. Yo, October is your boy Moski, and we back at it like a crack addict. And if you see me squabbling a bear, then help the bear, cause it's a new sheriff in town, and we ain't standing down. So all y'all YouTube dweebs, fall the fuck back. Fall the fuck back. You feel me? Cause y'all ain't no comp, nigga. Y'all ain't no comp, nigga. Nah, I'm just playing with y'all. I'm goofy like that. But yeah, let's address these Taxi 12s. I'm about to get on y'all ass because what's going on with y'all? We letting shit like this sit, bruh. You feel me? Y'all better run and go get them, bruh. Don't make me get my belt. I got good belt for y'all. Tuscan leather. Hold on. Tuscan leather. I'ma start whooping ass for y'all not getting muscots. Hold on. Pootie tang. y'all finna start getting belt to ass for not getting muscots that Jordan wore on the floor. Go get your floor steppers while they're still available before I start going bad on you. Do your homework on the Taxi 12s. It's time to go over these, bruh. These retailed at $215. And bruh, like I said, bruh, it's been 12 years since we've seen this cleat right here, bruh. Come on now. Y'all need these, bruh. They sat everywhere. They sitting right now. They sat everywhere last Saturday, bruh. That's when these dropped. They dropped last Saturday. They sitting at JD, Finish Line, Foot Locker, all of the above. But we gonna see how long that lasts, bruh. Because I don't know. Y'all youngins is weird, nigga. Y'all is weird, bruh. Them rare Air 11s, you know, them went fast, but y'all don't like shit. I'm beginning to think y'all don't know about Michael, bruh. Y'all just y'all on that weird shit. Y'all on that 6'7", 6'7", 6. No, bruh. Do your homework on Michael Jizzle, bruh. Y'all need to do your homework. These are highly available for y'all right now. Or now, I heard there was 82,000 pairs about or something like that. But yeah, come on, man. You know, 82,000 pairs, bruh. That means you get a pair. Well, per se, you get a pair. You get a pair. You get a pair. Everybody gets a pair, bruh. But that's only if y'all want them, bruh. Hey, I don't know, bruh. Y'all waiting on sales, which I do understand, bruh. But, I mean, if your size leaves, what you gonna do, bruh? If your size leaves, what you gonna do? I mean, you can't always hope on the sales when it comes to, you know, eat like this. You gotta get to it. You gotta get to it sometimes, bruh. Because it's not guaranteed. It's not guaranteed that they're gonna always be there. Anyways, let's start breaking this shit down. It comes in the, you know how Jordan 12s come. That comes in that Nike swoosh box. You know what I'm saying? The original Nike swoosh 12 box. The colors that are included on this shoe are a white, black, and taxi cab yellow. The upper comes with a white premium leather material, while the black overlays on the shoe is a nice lizard. That's like a lizard material. You know we gotta go over the branding on the shoe. You know we got Jumpman on the Youngie. We definitely got Jumpman on Youngie. Jumpman on the pull tag. The douche tray on the back. Big douche tray on the back. You know, it's only right. What else we got? We got the UP. Nah, I'm just playing. We got the gold traditional eyelets, bruh. You know, just real original Jizzle taxi shit. Y'all already know what the fuck going on. Unless you a young nigga, and we gotta make y'all do y'all homework. We know y'all don't like to listen, so we gotta break this shit down. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. What else we getting on here, bruh? You know? We got the taxi color shit on the bottom. You know? a nice Ziggy for the Zane, for the, you feel me? If you wanna, you know, these ain't just lifestyle shoes. These actually, he's got good performance on the court, bruh. I used to wear these back in the day when I played AAU and NJB. I used to do that before I was just like wearing Jordans casually. I used to hoop in these motherfuckers for shit show. You know what I'm saying? So just tie these but all I gotta say, don't wear these motherfuckers like this. This is for lifestyle only. You better choke the motherfuckers up if you hooping in them because you gonna get your ankles broke. You know what I'm saying? So choke them up like Clyde Drexler, Wilt Chamberlain, bruh. Except them motherfuckers was wearing Chucks and shit. How the fuck was they wearing Chucks to play basketball in back then, bruh? Please let me know. What? Bruh. Them Chucks be slapping the shit out your feet. How the fuck were they wearing those? What are those? Taxi 12s were originally released in 1996 during Michael Jordan's fifth championship run, bruh. You know what I'm saying? And these were actually inspired by New York City like taxi cabs, and also they were inspired by the Japan flag. The Japan Rising Sun flag inspired these shoes. The midsole on these shoes includes a featherweight Phylon foam, and you also get that fully length zoom air unit on these motherfuckers. You feel me? For cushioning, the outsole comes with herringbone traction pods, and we also got a nice little carbon fiber shank visible for y'all. And that's for stability supposedly. Yeah, y'all, I had to review these Taxi 12s and go over these with y'all, but it's only right that your big bro do a lacing. Come on now. Your big bro got to do a lacing for you. They already laced, but y'all got to see it. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to undo all this and we going to get to it, bruh. And, I'm going to show y'all how to lace some Taxi 12s. and hype things up. You're just trying to, you're just trying to style and have some shoes that maybe you didn't have when you were little. So I'm glad that these are available. Okay, we working towards the those are the gold eyelids. We about to be done.